Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Maths with Kalpana. We are studying squares and square roots. In this video, we will learn about Pythagorean triplets. Now, for Pythagorean triplets, consider the following numbers. Suppose we have 3 square which is equal to 9 and 4 square that is equal to 16. Now, 3 square plus 4 square that is equal to 9 plus 16. How much is this? That is equal to 25. And 25 is equal to 5 square. Now, this 3, 4 and 5. These are known as Pythagorean triplets. So, these are Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now similarly, we can say 6 square plus 8 square. Now what is 6 square? That is equal to 36 and 8 square is equal to 64. So 36 plus 64 is equals to 100. And how much is 100? That is equal to 10 square. So again, this 6, 8 and 10. These are also Pythagorean triplets. Similarly, another set of Pythagorean triplets are 5, 12 and 13. So 5 square plus 12 square. Here 5 square is equal to 25 and 12 square is equal to 144. So 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. So this is 169 is equal to how much? That is 1 3, that is 13 square. So again I can say this 5, 12 and 13. These three are also Pythagorean triplets. So we can say for any natural numbers which I have already told you, natural numbers are those numbers which are starting from 1 and going up to infinity. Okay, so for any natural number m which is greater than 1, then 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equals to m square plus 1 whole square. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that these three, that is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are known as Pythagorean triplets. Again I am repeating, for a natural number m which is greater than 1, if 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equals to m square plus 1 whole square, then 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1 will be termed as Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so that is what written over here. So this is the definition of Pythagorean triplets. So we can get the Pythagorean triplets by using the general form 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Okay, so this is called as Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so this is called as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? A square plus b square is equals to c square. This is termed as Pythagoras theorem. This is also known as Pythagoras theorem. Now we will solve a numerical based on this, then it will be clear for you. Now this numerical states that write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 16. So here we have to find a Pythagorean triplet where one member is given as 16. One member is already given to us, that is given as 16. So we have to find out the other two members. Here we know this general form, that is 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Okay, these three are the general forms which we know. Okay, now I will just first try taking m square minus 1 as equals to 16. This is just let m square minus 1 is equals to 16. So if m square minus 1 is equals to 16, then m square will be equal to how much? 16 plus 1, that will be equals to 17. Okay, in that case m will be equals to square root of 17. Now to find out square root of 17 will be difficult because 17 is a non-square number. Okay, 17 is not a square number because we know that 4 square is equal to 16. 16 is a square number. After 16, the next square number is 25. But 17 is not a square number. So this is not possible. Okay, this is not possible. So what we will do is, this is not possible to solve by this method. So next what we will do is, I will simply consider this 2m is equal to 16. Okay, again I'm just letting this 2m is equal to 16. If 2m is equal to 16, then m is equals to 16 by 2, that will be equals to 8. Okay, now I got m is equal to 8. Now what will be my m square minus 1? That will be equals to 8 square minus 1. So 8 square is equal to 64 minus 1, that is equal to 63. Now n square plus 1, okay, the other number, is equals to 8 square plus 1. Again it is 64 plus 1 equals to 65. Okay, now we have to check whether 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equals to m square plus 1 whole square or not. Okay, we have to check this whether this is true or not, this is holding good or not. So for that what we have to do, we have to put all these numbers. Okay, so we have this 2m is equal to 16. So 16 square plus m square minus 1 is equal to 63. 63 square. Okay, so we have to find this. 16 square is equal to how much? That is equal to 256. Okay, and 63 square comes as equal to 3969, that is 3969. And if you add these two numbers, it will come as 4225. Okay, so this is what our left hand side is. Now let's find out the right hand side. So on the right hand side we have m square plus 1 whole square. So our m square plus 1 is how much? 65. So 65 whole square is equals to how much? That is equal to 4225, that is 4225, that I have already found out. Okay, so 65 square is coming as 4225. So on the right hand side also I am getting it as 4225, and on the left hand side also I am finding out as 4225. So these two numbers are same. So So my Pythagorean triplets will be 16, 63, and 65. So these are the Pythagorean triplets. So in this way, we can find out the Pythagorean triplets if one of the Pythagorean triplet member is given to us. Thanks for watching this video. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. In the next video, we will learn about how to find out square roots. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.